Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Ali Bhai with a new video. In this video, I will give you formulation of a excellent dishwash. First of all, take experience. Look how fatty and oily stains. Many people refuse to clean this. This is impossible. Now this is possible. How? Check it. Just one drop of dishwash. Just one drop. Every fatty and oily stain will be removed within the seconds. Not in minutes, within the seconds. Just watch. Just watch. It is amazing product. Amazing product. You can manufacture and sell it and earn a lot of money. You can compare it with any brand of world. This is my challenge. You can compare it with any brand of world. Just watch. Where is oil? Amazing, surprised. Everything is removed. What an amazing product. Oh my God. Every stain and oil removed within seconds. Amazing product. It's not a very high costly product, a cheapest product. Now check this result. It's the amazing result. See, it's just like a new pot. Just like a new. Now come on the formulation. I will give you all formulation. This is sodium hydroxide, caustic soda. Just add in a pot caustic soda and then add water. This is a very typical hint for you when you making any type of detergent. First you add sodium hydroxide because this is a very strong alkali. When you take a pH of 14 of any solution, then if you add any type of chemical, any type of thickener, then it give a very brilliant result. The product disperse very quickly if you take high pH. Then you add water after dissolving the sodium hydroxide or caustic soda. This is totally 10 kg water, but I will take partially. Then add sulfonic acid. This is sulfonic acid, 96%. Add slowly. It gives a very thickness. After adding sulfonic acid, stir approximately 10 minutes As you add and stir, it is it become a thick solution, very thick solution. I will add a solution of borax, sulfonic acid, citric acid and oxalic acid. It is the solution of these chemicals. Stir well. Then add solution of salt. This is solution of salt. As you add, it become a very thick solution. After mixing for a few minutes, we will add Storex NP9 because we are using lot of ingredients, so maybe it would be separate or it's take a separation. After Storex, we will add a little amount of Glycerine. After adding Glycerine and Storex, again stir for a few minutes. Then I will add phosphoric acid 85% food grade, a little amount of phosphoric acid 85% food grade. Then again stir. This is KD and essence. KD is a conditioner and essence. I mix both KD and essence, then add in this solution. Now it is ready. Now common formulation: water 10 kg, sulfonic acid 2.25 kg, Storex 500 grams, caustic soda 345 grams, citric acid 50 grams, oxalic acid 50 grams, sulfonic acid 50 grams, borax 50 grams, glycerine 250 grams, and then KD 250 grams, essence 50 grams, phosphoric acid 100 grams, salt 100 grams. According to Pakistan currency, the total amount is 2638 of 14.1 kg batch. This is cost 187 rupees per kg according to Pakistani currency. You can calculate according to your currency and your prices in your country. If you feel this is a synthetic formulation, a good formulation, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos and share my videos to many others. Hopefully I will share next video very soon.